Speaking about what we're doing at the weekend, the first thing I'm gonna do is get a Mohican. Take the train to Paris, meet some friends and take some stuff. Woke up in a nightclub in Bangkok. In the morning took a train to the beach. Rolled a message in the bottle and we threw it in the sea. We watched the waves smash against the rocks. We watched the sea bring the message back to us. Open it up.
4-točkovna prijava na Hill Climb Katarino se začne zdaj. Navodilo na točki 1 smo dobili, akcija dalje. By the way, moja štartna številka. Navodila, da tu raztovarjamo, ne vem, če so najbolj pametna. Boksi so pa zato bajto, tako da je dobro, da sem bil pozen, ker sem dobil parking bližje. Pazi zdaj, 3. točka prijave.
Pazi voiceover, na prvi pogled zakompliciran sistem prijav na 4 točkah se je izkazal za brezhibnega in je potekal brez zapletov.
Evo, tisto je SUV kabriolet, svet gre res v kurac. On je spremljevalno vozilo, mi smo zadnji na štartu, Žvan pa je pred zadnji.
Super! In zdaj bomo prodali kapce.
To je to.
Takole izgleda, ko smo na štartu. Čakamo, malo čakamo, ampak saj sinca je.
Let me see what it do. You recording already?
I got you.
Alright, fuck it, it's a freestyle anyway,
I'm
man.
ready.
It sound like something that's about your life. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we're gonna see. Yeah, this is my life, dog. This is my life, dog. Yeah, will I ever live right, dog? A freestyle about my life, dog. Yeah, this is my life, dog. Will I live right, y'all? Yeah, a freestyle about my life, yo. Locked jaw like the Damien. Caves I be living in. Niggas in the block and they be spoken like some Indians. On the perimeter, live, hit them in the liver. They got a problem, got the package, I'm gon' deliver. Cause as a youngster, coming up with double barrels. Looking at putting the life, they're taking the people, they're running around with the carols. They're looking for marrows, they're pulling the pussies to come from people. That's right over the son of a bitches and dropping them all and I equal. Here's the sequel to the story in another picture. The federalists coming, looking for G's that want to get you, to hit you. They want you to quit the game, they want you to live. They want you to go to prison, it's all prerogative. I live my life like a G to keep it steadily. Heavenly, get my money and I be packing the 70. AK for the day I die, when the day I just might go to heaven's earth, here is the deadly flow. Now beat me, I'm like a teepee in the deep scorcher. To get my money coming through, they're swarming like a vulture. So here's the capture, the minus in the rapture. Blow! You never know when the devil slapped you. I'm in the valley, they call it Bayuko. I kick it with my homie coming through, I'm with the Chuco. My homie named Javier and the Xavier. Get my money quick, I got to get my fucking paper. So Simon, saying hi to my jefe. Coming on my block en la noche with my cuete. Control machete, that's on my mind, it don't matter. Cause in my carro, I click, semi, crack my auto. That's for my brother, South Park, Mexicano. Chidi Gonzalez, Villa Dam, Veterano. Represent for the Hispano. And all of La Raza with the crack casa. Coming with my sunshine. Bully rock the truck when I roll with the buck when I roll when I get it. I'ma break them off and come through, put this bullet in your 50. That's how I'm feeling, I'm a villain of another sort. To leave a bloody, break it down, it's like a bloody sport. They going to court there, looking for Puente. That's in my mente, I'm sipping on the presidente. Me and my hit I'm running like I'm for the hit up for the kid I got to get it in the jet that's in my parabel, dealing with the Jezebel. I got my problems now, I feel like I be walking through hell. I'm on the TV, and the people see me. When they like to me, they be rapping on the CD. But we all in different worlds, different lives, else and
Snako, stari! Boranija!
Top. A sta tam malo ruknila, kad sam rekao da je prišao on blizi, nekaj načutit malo zadnje, jaz sem bil kakšen jak prelet.
Veš kaj bo bila tale, štaka trnažica?
Ja, okej, kada leta.
Run 2, Gucci.
Bud, poberi bud, kako zlam voli. Možda pelo zraven, na bud mogoče? Ja. Da lahko malo potrkam?
Bogovi, samo pridno, fukti.
Katra vodi konvoj v dolino, sledi pa par zanimivih avtov, kot so Alfa 75, Beštija, E92 M3, ki je bil najhitrejši avto dneva, seveda na takem eventu ne fali predelanih E36, sledijo pa Alanova Alfa, tako imenovani Mad Max. Podboršek je tukaj z oranžno Sierro Cosworth, stane pa v njegovem Westfieldu, ki je v tej varianti kit car za na stezo.
Pazi to, mid-engine Abarth prototip. Dol, dol! Torej ne mogoče previs za moj avto, ne? Kljub temu, da mi ni bila všeč cesta, po kateri se moramo vračati dol, nisem razočaran. Berla bela ali flat bela. Pripravljamo se za četrti run. Ta run bom spet chaseal. Furam z muziko, ker je dosti boljši vibe na ta način. Žvan ima kamero na strehi, snema nazaj, jaz snema pa not in snema naprej, da se tudi vidi moja vožnja.
Bring that beat in, sound the drums. A single finger in the air, emit 1,000 thumbs. Hitchhiking out of here on the back of a truck. My message is a snare, drowning out the pounding toms. I'm not the same shit you've heard before. My heart is the beat on the first and fourth. Hip-hop isn't dead, this is urban law. We'll drag that horse to water and make it thirst for more. Turn a trickle to a stream, then a stream to a geyser. Our dreams are the fire that'll burst it forth. Break dance on the soapbox, the curb is formed. Music is our white flag on an earth of war. Discontent is the anvil where these words are formed. The fuel on the fire that you burnt this for. This song goes out to those who've heard the call. If the law serves the rich, then we'll serve the poor. Come on. Every face in this crowd has an ear for the sound and an eye on our way down. Every fist in the air waving it like they care that our people are way down. Everybody at the stage who can catch my gaze just to tell me that they're way down. By every minute of the day that we waste, not changing our ways. Drop that beat out, settle the groove in. I'll do what I gotta do to get you to tune in. My inner child's off, cutting sick on the mood swings. For playground tactics are the reason I do this. Ain't it sick that we hide from the truth till advice on a loop makes us look past the movie screen? All these films about aliens and spaceships might amaze kids who forget that their future's bleak. Alright, yeah, we're kind of on a losing streak, but won't forget a victory for a few defeats at least. Racism isn't even what it used to be. The man can barely even draw that gap between blue and green. And though I do complain we aren't truly free, we are still who we choose to be. We are still when we move to a beat. So when they ask me why, I'll tell them I choose to speak. Every face in this crowd has an ear for the sounds and an eye on our way down. Every fist in the air waving it like they care that our people are way down. Everybody at the stage who can catch my gaze just to tell me that they're way down. By every minute of the day that we waste, not changing our ways. For every head I offend with the lyrics I take down, or women I've loved who might break down. For all my family and friends, I hope you stand at the end. I can't edit a word, it's too late now. For every face in the crowd that I make proud, cause we've all taken hits but won't stay down. I might never say I'm great, but I'm grateful, cause I don't believe that a king would ever wear that fake crown. Every face in this crowd has an ear for the sounds and an eye on our way down.
Transition timing pa širina proge je taka, da ne moram uloviti timinga, ker če ga bi vlovil, bi me not potegnil. In moram malo zamujati.
Ja, pa moraš čez.
Ja, in potem moram ono res pospešiti, transition pa čim prej na gas, ker če sem ti že odselil. Pripravljamo se na štart zadnje vožnje danes, to je zadnja vožnja danes, ni zadnja vožnja. In Žvan ima speed socket. Je to luksuzi 21. stoletja. Čuda to. Situacija je taka, da zdaj ne moramo na štart, ker je bila prej gužva, da gremo po alternativni poti na štart.
for every face in the crowd that I make proud. Cause we've all taken hits but won't stay down. I might never say I'm great, but I'm grateful, cause I don't believe that a king would ever wear that fake crown. Every face in this crowd has an ear for the sounds and an eye on our way, way down. Every fist in the air waving it like they care that our people are way, way down. Everybody at the stage who can catch my gaze just to tell me that they're way, way down. By every minute of the day that we waste not changing our ways.
Ta dogodek organizira društvo Magnet Trbovlje. Letos je bila organizacija in pristop do dogodka popolnoma drugačna kot prejšnja leta. Število voznikov je bilo omejeno. Med mnogimi prijavami smo bili izbrani tisti vozniki, ki smo imeli zanimive reference iz prejšnjih sezon, zanimiv avto ali pa enostavno dobro poznanstvo z člani društva. Organizatorjem in voznikom je uspelo izpeljati vseh 5 planiranih ranov brez večjih zapletov. Kljub rahli živčnosti redarjev zaradi tempiranega urnika je dogodek izpadel zelo dobro. Vozniki in publika smo bili navdušeni.
Jaz mislim, da je zaključni ran dneva tudi najboljši ran dneva danes. Ura je pa 4:15, tako da je šansa, da ulovimo še par krogov na drift poligonu na Piču. Evo, Katarina uspešna, ura je pa šele 5, tako da pičemo na poligon narediti še par krogov. Vroče je kot svinja, zato ker poligon je odprt do 7, to pomeni, da lahko stisnemo še kako uro vožnje tam.
To je bil recap dogajanja na Hill Climbu Katarina v Trbovljah. Hvala za ogled, z vami sem bil Erik in se vidimo v naslednjem videu.